Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the location settings of your iPhone or to change your GPS location of your iPhone. You may want to do this to change location of your apps for say like Uber, Snapchat, or if you're playing any games like Pokemon Go, etc. And you can do this without having to do any jailbreak. So I will show you how you can do this. So firstly, you need to download an application called Dr. Phone. This is available both in Windows and Mac. I have provided the link in the description of this video to make it easier for you. Go into the website and download the Dr. Phone application. So I have already downloaded that, so let me just open up that. So when you open up, you will see this screen, and here you need to select on virtual location. So this is the setting which helps you change your phone's GPS location. Click on that and one more window opens up. So you just click on get started, and then it actually asks you to connect your iPhone to the Windows laptop or Mac, whichever you are using. So right now I am going to connect my iPhone onto my laptop. So as soon as I connect my iPhone, I get this option. I need to select on my device and click on next. It will take some time to actually load up the settings. Once you do that, this is the location that you can actually change. This by changing the location in this window, the location on your iPhone automatically changes. That's it, guys. So let me just put a location here and show you exactly what I am doing. I will also show you a proof as in where exactly I am and like how the location is actually changed. Okay, so let me just put the location as Mexico. Put in the desired location that you want to change and click on move here. It will give you an option that teleport mode may incur warnings in your location based apps, etc. There will be a warning, but this is exactly what we want to change. So just click on still move. It will take some time, and there you go. So now you have changed your location to somewhere in the middle of Mexico. In fact, you can change this to a particular location as well, a particular location in a particular country. Let's say I want to move to this particular area in Dubai, United Arabs. I'm just going to click on move, and there you go. I have location changed to this particular region. Let me just show you, even on my app, even on my iPhone, the setting is actually changed. Let me again change one more location to prove again that this app is really working. So let me change my location to some other country and show you again. Let me change it to Auckland and click on move here and show you if the same change again happens on my iPhone. In fact, you can also remove the phone from the Dr. Phone interface, but still your location of your phone still will be at Auckland till you restart the phone. So the app works or the GPS location is fixed even if your phone is not connected to your PC. To demonstrate that, I will show you the proof. So as you saw, the location of my phone is changed back to Campbell River. This is where I am currently living. So just to show you proof, I'm gonna check my location on my PC and that's what it says. This is where I am currently located in. So guys, this app really works. So if you want to restore your location, just you need to restart and your location is back to your original location. I would just like to note that this particular app is only free for the first 2 hours of the usage, and after that you will have to buy its subscription. So for that you can actually go into their website and actually look for their plans. So yes guys, so this particular app is definitely working. However, this app is only free for the first 2 hours of the time since you downloaded this app. So after that you will have to get the paid subscription. So you can consider that if you are really wanting this feature like for a long-term solution. Okay, so check it out guys.
Hey guys, don't go anywhere yet. If you are watching this video right now, chances are thousands of people just like you are going to watch my videos on my YouTube channel to solve their problems or to learn something. This is because I know how to create YouTube videos and I know how YouTube works. So my videos get shown to thousands of people. And I teach this techniques of like how you can get your videos to get shown to like thousands of people on my YouTube channel. That's what I do. I am an internet marketer. I specialize in YouTube and several internet mediums like blogging, affiliate marketing, etc. And I teach them all for free in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, that's the very proof that my techniques are working and my methods are working. So if you like all such kind of stuff, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon.